Good morning. Can you hear me? Yes? Hello, good morning. Yes, so today we are here for the third day of our reading week from Swarnim International School. Good morning and welcome to the third day of reading week, and today we are going to hear a story about Chota Bheem, Chota Bheem, 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 Chota Bheem, Chota Bheem. Yes, children, are you ready? Okay, so we will start in a bit. I am Sudarshana ma'am and I will be telling you a story. Chota Bheem and his gang of friends learn to sing. Okay? Chalo. So let us begin. Okay. So once upon a time, Chota Bheem and his friends, they are staying in a place called Swarnimpur. Swarnimpur, Chota Bheem stays in Dholakpur. But no, due to the corona outbreak, they have all shifted and are staying in a place called Swarnimpur. Okay? Swarnimpur is a place which is happier and safer. And they have all taken houses side by side. Okay? So they are staying in houses side by side, all friends together. But they are not that happy. Why? Because of the lockdown they cannot go out. They cannot enjoy. They cannot play outside. So they are feeling all bored. Just one day, Chutki, she has a plan. What kind of plan? She calls up Raju. Tring, 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 tring. Raju picks up. Yes, Chutki, how are you? I'm fine, but I'm feeling very bored. So, I have a plan. What kind of plan? Let us go to our terrace. And from the terrace, we can play Antakshari. That way, we are not near each other. We'll maintain social distancing norms also, and we can play also. How about that plan? Raju is overjoyed. Yes, we will play Antakshari. So they both come up to their terrace and start playing Antakshari. Suddenly, they see Kalia on the road. Kalia is walking. So Raju and Chutki think, because of this corona outbreak everywhere, it is locked down. What is Kalia doing? He has gone out of the house. Why? So Chutki now asks Kalia from the terrace, Kalia bhaiya, where are you going? Kalia looks up. Oh, Chutki, you are on the terrace playing with Raju. Okay, but I am going to Chota Bheem's place. Chota Bheem's place? But in this lockdown you have come out. Yes, Kalia says, because Parvati Masi has called me. Parvati Masi? Who is Parvati Masi? Yes, children, do you know who is Parvati Masi? Come on. Tell me, who is Parvati Masi? Any guesses? Quickly. Any guesses? Who is this special Parvati Masi? Let me see. Any answers? Parvati Masi. No answers? Okay, I will tell you. Parvati Masi is actually Chota Bheem's mom. Yes, Parvati Masi is Chota Bheem's mom. what happened? Parvati Masi has called up Kalia to ask for some musical instruments. Do you know what are musical instruments? Musical instruments are the accompaniments with which we sing. Okay? So Kalia has got some musical instruments in his house. So he is carrying the musical instruments to Chhota Bhim's place. Before taking, he has sanitized them well. Yes, because of Corona. So now Kalia says, yes, see, I have a sack on my shoulder and I'm carrying these musical instruments to Chhota Bhim's place. Now Raju and Chutki, they are very jealous. Oh my God, we also want to go. So many days we have not come out of the house. We also want to go and enjoy. So Kalia says, okay, let us go. If we maintain social distancing norms, we wear gloves, we add some sanitizer in our hands, then it is okay. We can go to Parvati Masi's house and then we will sit with definite gap between each other. Yes. So the idea is rock on. They quickly come down and both Chutki and Raju wash their hands properly. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. And they wear their gloves. They wear their mask. And three of them march towards Parvati Masi's house. Whose house? Parvati Masi's house. So now ting 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 ting. So this is Chhota Bhim's house and this is the trio. They reach Parvati Masi's house. When they reach Parvati Masi's house, they can hear beautiful melodious music coming out. Yes, Chhota Bhim is practicing songs with mummy. Parvati Masi is teaching Chhota Bhim some sargam. Do you want to hear what kind of sargam? Yes, yes, yes. So, the sargam is, both of them are singing. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa. Pa ma ga re sa ni. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa. Pa ma ga re sa ni. Wow, beautiful music indeed. Kalia is very eager. When will I learn? When will I learn? I also want to learn. I also want to learn. So, Chutki, Raju and Kalia wants to go inside. But then Kalia says, wait. Let me first peep in and take permission from Parvati Masi. Okay. So Kalia knocks. Tuck, 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 tuck. And Parvati Masi slowly opens the door. She says, oh Kalia, you have come. Did you sanitize your musical instruments? Yes, Masi, I have done it. Don't worry. But who are they? Oh, you have come in a group? I told you, you have to maintain social distancing norms. Yes, Masi, see, they are standing so far away. Don't worry, Masi, please allow them also. Please, please, please. So now, Kalia, Chutki and Raju, they enter the room. Parvati Masi says, okay, sit far away. Chutki, go near the bed. Raju, you come and sit on the door, beside the door. And Kalia, you sit near the parapet. Chhota Bhim, you come here. Chhota Bhim is overjoyed to see all his friends. Oh wow, you have come to my place. See, I am wearing my mask from beforehand. No problem. We can sing and learn together. Okay, so Parvati Masi now says, sit quietly and we will sing. Just then they hear Another knock. Tuck, 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 tuck. Jaggu Dada is there. Parvati Masi opens the door and Jaggu Dada comes in. All of you have left me. You did not remember that I am also there in your group. Jaggu Dada is very angry. No. Actually, what happens? There is so much of tension due to the corona outbreak. That is why we did not call you. No, you have not called me because I cannot sing. That is why. Jaggu Dada is very sad. Yes, Parvati Masi, I also want to learn. Okay, don't cry now. Go, there is the sanitizer left there. Go and add some sanitizer on your palm and sit quietly there. Okay, very good. So all of them are sitting with definite gap between each other. Can you see all of them, children? Yes? The whole gang is here along with Parvati Masi. Now they start singing. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ga re sa ni. So Chota Bhim is also singing. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa 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 ma ga re sa ni. So all of you sing with me, children. Start. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ga re sa ni. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ga re sa ni. Suddenly Raju says, Stop. I have thought another line. Corona is disturbing us so much. We must defeat Corona. So we must sing one line to get rid of Corona. So what is that line? Everybody asks. Chutki asks, what? Kali asks, yes, you've thought of a line? Please tell us, what is that line? Parvati Masi is also eager. So Raju takes permission. Masi, can I sing one line? Okay. So Raju starts singing. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ga re sa ni. हमारे देश से भागो करोना और उसकी नानी. So all of you, let us sing the sargam together. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa ma ga re sa ni. हमारे देश से भागो करोना और उसकी नानी. सबको लेके भाग जाओ. Don't come to my place. So everybody starts singing. How they start singing? You also sing together, okay? All children sing together. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa ma ga re sa ni. हमारे देश से भागो करोना और उसकी नानी. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa ma ga re sa ni. हमारे देश से भागो करोना और उसकी नानी. Yes, this is the way they all sang together. But now Kalia remembers. What about my musical instruments? Parvati Masi, don't you want to see them? Yes, they are kept that side. Okay, Kalia, bring them. So Kalia now goes and brings the instruments. First, the pair of tabla. See the tabla? Now Kalia sits in front of the tabla. Now Chota Bhim, what will he play? There is the dholak. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa ma ga re sa ni. So Chota Bhim keeps the dholak in front of him and he wears this scarf so that he will play the dholak nicely. And for Chutki has a beautiful instrument for her. Iktara. Iktara is an instrument which gives us all the beautiful melodious music, and it gives us the Indian heritage feel. Yes, Iktara. हमारे देश से भागो कोरोना और उसकी नानी. So, Chutki takes the Iktara and sits here. Jaggu, Kalia takes the tabla, Chutki takes the Iktara, and Chota Bheem takes the dholak. Raju says, "Okay, Masi, I will sing with you." Yes. So all of them now, with the accompaniments of the music, they start their singing. All of you together, children. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ga re sa ni. हमारे देश से भागो कोरोना और उसकी नानी. So this way they enjoyed themselves. And Chota Bheem now comes into picture. He says, oh, he has kept his dholak nicely, and he says, if we are not dwelling in our past and we are not worrying about our future, then we are focusing only towards our present. We are focusing in our present and we feel very, very happy. Corona will go one day definitely, and we will all be happy together. So we have to enjoy whatever we are getting now. We have to enjoy with that only. We have to stay at home. We have to maintain social distancing. We have to keep our hands and bodies safe and hygienic. And we have to always wear the mask. And then we can sing away to glory. So all of us again started to sing and enjoy. So children, how did you like the story? Tell me. Did you enjoy? Will you sing when you are at home and feeling bored? What will you sing? Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ga re sa ni. हमारे देश से भागो कोरोना और उसकी नानी. Okay? Yes? This is the story of Chota Bheem and his beautiful rocking gang. All of you enjoy and keep safe. Okay? That's all for now. Do you have any questions, children? Do you want to share anything? Yes? Did you like the story? Okay. So when you go home and stay, when you are feeling bored, you can tell the story to your grandparents also, to your parents also, to your friends also. Yes? Okay, that's all for now from Sudarshana ma'am. Tomorrow again we will listen to another story. Bye bye. Bye for now.